Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this event finder platform, which is Eventbrite. So let's really dive into it. Talking about Eventbrite, Eventbrite is one of the easiest platforms to find books or host event. It's great for concert, local meetup, and professional gathering with a smooth ticketing system and a clean mobile app. Users love its convenient and a wide event selection, making it a go-to for anyone looking to discover what's happening nearby. However, it's not perfect. Some users report fake events, refund issues, and clocking research filters that can make finding specific events frustrating. So in my conclusion, Eventbrite is a handy and reliable tool for event discovery. Just double check event details before booking. And that's all I could say. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.